A well-optimized channel page can lead to higher subscriber retention rates, increased watch time. We want to help you become a successful YouTube entrepreneur. We give you access to free training, software with access to social media, and more training with tips and tricks. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Hello YouTube friends, my name is Preston. Have you ever seen anybody dripping with money, without a partner? We believe that no training anywhere is near as good as using YouTube in accord with Matt Parr's free training, to get paid over and over again for work that you did once. Matt Parr went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 plus a month with YouTube in less than a decade. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. At the date of this video, Matt is about 23 years old, coping with a beautiful girlfriend. Optimizing your YouTube channel page is crucial for driving growth, increasing subscriber retention, and enhancing overall performance. A well-optimized channel page can significantly impact your success on YouTube by attracting more viewers. It can keep them engaged, and encourage them to subscribe for more content. A well-optimized channel page plays a vital role in driving growth and success on YouTube. One of the key benefits of optimizing your channel page is the potential for higher subscriber retention rates. In addition to increasing subscriber retention, an optimized channel page can also lead to higher watch time, which is a critical metric for YouTube's algorithm. By organizing your videos, playlists, and featured content in a strategic manner, you can encourage viewers to watch more of your videos, resulting in longer watch times and improved performance on the platform. By optimizing your channel page with high-quality visuals, engaging channel art, informative descriptions, and relevant keywords, you can create a strong online presence that captivates viewers and keeps them coming back for more. In conclusion, optimizing your YouTube channel page is a critical step in driving growth, increasing subscriber retention, and enhancing overall performance on the platform. By focusing on creating a visually appealing, organized, and engaging channel page, you can attract more viewers, keep them engaged, and build a loyal subscriber base that supports your channel's success. Yes, it is possible to have greater than 1,000 subscribers. The number of subscribers doesn't necessarily correlate directly with the number or length of videos. Factors that can contribute to rapid subscriber growth include 1. High quality, engaging content. 2. Effective SEO and keyword optimization. 3. Promotion on other social media platforms. 4. Collaboration with other creators. 5. Timing and trending topics. 6. Sharing in relevant communities. 7. Paid advertising. Understanding subscriber retention. Subscriber retention is a crucial metric that measures the ability of a YouTube channel to keep viewers engaged and subscribed over time. It indicates the level of satisfaction, engagement, and interest that viewers have in a channel's content, as well as the effectiveness of the channel in retaining its audience. High subscriber retention rates are essential for sustaining growth, increasing watch time, and improving visibility on YouTube's algorithm, ultimately leading to a more successful channel. To improve subscriber retention rates, content creators can implement various strategies to keep viewers engaged and interested in their channel. There are several examples of channels with high subscriber retention rates that showcase effective tactics for engaging and retaining viewers. Channels like PewDiePie, T-Series, and Dude Perfect have successfully built large subscriber bases by consistently delivering entertaining, informative, and engaging content that resonates with their audiences. These channels leverage a mix of content formats, collaborations, interactive features, and community engagement to keep viewers hooked and coming back for more. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. In conclusion, subscriber retention is a critical metric that influences a channel's success and performance on YouTube. By understanding the concept of subscriber retention, implementing effective strategies for improving retention rates, and analyzing successful channels with high retention, creators can enhance their channel's growth, engagement, and overall performance on the platform. Enhancing watch time. Watch time is a critical metric on YouTube that measures the total amount of time viewers spend watching a channel's videos. It plays a significant role in determining a channel's performance, visibility, and success on the platform. In this section, we will explore the importance of increased watch time, its impact on channel growth, and strategies for boosting watch time to improve overall performance. To enhance watch time and improve channel performance, creators can implement several tips for creating engaging content that captivates viewers and keeps them watching. By setting clear expectations and delivering valuable, entertaining, and informative content, creators can keep viewers engaged and invested in watching the entire video. Successful channels with high watch time often employ effective content strategies that resonate with their audiences and keep viewers coming back for more. In conclusion, enhancing watch time is crucial for driving channel growth, improving visibility, and increasing success on YouTube. By understanding the relationship between watch time and algorithm ranking, implementing tips for creating engaging content, and analyzing successful channels with high watch time, creators can optimize their videos to boost watch time, engage viewers, and enhance overall performance on the platform. Optimizing channel performance. Optimizing your YouTube channel is essential for improving overall performance, increasing visibility, and attracting a larger audience. By focusing on key elements such as thumbnails, titles, descriptions, analytics, and SEO optimization, creators can enhance their channel's effectiveness, engagement, and success on the platform. A well-optimized channel page includes key elements such as thumbnails, titles, and descriptions that are visually appealing, informative, and engaging. Titles and descriptions are also important components of a well-optimized channel page. Descriptions should provide additional context, keywords, and links to related content to enhance the overall viewer experience and encourage engagement with the channel. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Using analytics to track channel performance is essential for making data-driven decisions and optimizing content strategy. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and engagement rates. SEO optimization is another crucial aspect of improving channel visibility and reach on YouTube. Additionally, optimizing channel metadata, playlists, and featured content can further enhance visibility and attract new viewers to the channel. In conclusion, optimizing channel performance is key to maximizing growth, engagement, and success on YouTube. Optimizing your YouTube channel page is crucial for driving growth, increasing subscriber retention, and enhancing overall performance on the platform. A well-optimized channel page serves as the gateway to your content, attracting viewers, keeping them engaged, and encouraging them to subscribe for more. By focusing on key elements such as thumbnails, titles, descriptions, analytics, and SEO optimization, creators can improve their channel's visibility, reach, and effectiveness in attracting and retaining viewers. A well-optimized channel page not only enhances subscriber retention rates and watch time but also boosts overall performance, engagement, and success on YouTube. Matt's free training and YouTube Mastery and Monetization program can help you to get paid over and over again for work that you did once. Click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. It's fantastic that you came by. We hope that you enjoyed this video. We are almost finished. We encourage viewers to take action and support their favorite creators by subscribing to their channels, liking their videos, and sharing them with others. Subscribing to a channel allows viewers to stay updated on the latest content, engage with the creators' community, and show their support for the channel's growth and success. Liking and sharing videos help increase visibility, reach, and engagement, contributing to the overall performance and impact of the content. Several key factors contribute to a video going viral on YouTube, and understanding these elements can significantly enhance a creator's chances of success. Properly optimizing metadata is essential for video discoverability, as it helps the YouTube algorithm categorize content and recommend it to potential viewers. A well-crafted title and engaging description can entice users to click, while relevant tags ensure the video appears in related searches. As you explore and engage with content on YouTube, we recommend checking out related videos, playlists, and channels on the creator's page for further insights, entertainment, and engagement. In conclusion, optimizing your YouTube channel page is a strategic investment in your growth, success, and impact as a content creator. By creating a visually appealing, organized, and engaging channel page, you can attract more viewers, keep them engaged, and build a loyal subscriber base that supports your channel's performance and goals. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Have you ever seen somebody showered with money, without a partner? To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training.